Two surprising ways to get rid of hiccups really fast. Hiccups can be very distressing. When you get them in public or when you're even at home, it's really disturbing and you just want to get rid of it. Sometimes we just tend to wait it out till it goes on its own. But there are hacks that can help you to get rid of those hiccups really fast. Number one is to hold your breath. Hold your breath for as long as you can, for like 3 consecutive times, and before you are done with that third time, usually the hiccup is gone. It's really fast, very effective. Number 2 is to drink cold water slowly, and while you do this, it will be good if you also hold your breath in between. This can also help to get rid of that hiccup really fast and get rid of that distress.